Hello everyone, welcome to Euron. In this video, I'm going to discuss about a new batch announcement, which is going to be data analytics or business analytics, you can say. So yes, soon we are going to start ahead with business analytics, and let's go and let's try to discuss about the syllabus, content, and everything. So here you can see a batch, guys. And again, those who have Euron Plus subscription, you are not supposed to pay for anything. It's completely fine. You can come over here and then start your learning. So here is a business analytics mastery, as you can see, and we are going to launch this batch in Hindi as well as in English. And I'm going to be the mentor for both the batches, so Hindi and English both. Now, let's talk about it. So this batch is going to be live on 28th of December. Now, if I'll talk about a Hindi batches, so in that case, so timing is going to be 4 p.m. IST to 5:30 p.m. IST. For 1.5 hours, I'm going to take this particular batch. Now, if I'll talk about English batch, so timing is going to be Saturday, Sunday, 6 p.m. IST to 7:30 p.m. IST. Now, if I'll talk about a syllabus, so I have made sure that I'm going to discuss each and everything inside this particular batch. Now, whatever is required, whatever is important for a business analyst, anything and everything I'm going to discuss inside this particular batch, whether it's a SQL, whether it's a Power BI, whether it's a Tableau, whether it's a Excel, and obviously, last but not the least, a project part. So each and everything I'm going to discuss with all of you in this particular live session. Again, so the entire batch is very affordable, as you can see, and hope all of you are going to enjoy it. Hope all of you are going to give a love, and obviously you are going to learn a lot if you are going to join this batch. So yes, we have given you all the detail inside our description, so please feel free to join this particular batch or maybe inquire about this particular batch. With that, thank you so much everyone.